Are you struggling with debt and don't know where to start? It's a common predicament, but fear not. The first step to regaining control of your financial life is assessing and organizing your debt. Let's break it down. Start by making a comprehensive list of all your debts. This could include credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, and anything else you owe. Once you've got everything down, add it all up to determine your total debt amount. This will give you a clear picture of what you're dealing with. Now, it's time to organize. Categorize your debt into two types: high interest and low interest. High interest debts typically include things like credit cards, while low interest debts might be student loans or mortgages. Knowing the difference is crucial as it helps you strategize your repayment plan effectively. Once you've organized your debt, it's time to set clear, achievable goals. You're on your way to a debt-free life. Now that you've got your debt organized, it's time to take a hard look at your budget. A realistic budget is more than just numbers on a page. It's a tangible representation of your financial health. And more importantly, it's a tool for regaining control over your debt. Start by detailing all your income sources and expenses. Be brutally honest with yourself. Where is your money really going? You might be surprised by how much those coffee runs or online subscriptions are costing you. Once you've identified where your money is going, look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's cooking at home more often or canceling that streaming service you rarely use. These might seem like small changes, but they can add up significantly over time. And here's the key. Every dollar you save from cutting expenses is a dollar you can put towards paying down your debt. With a solid budget in place, you're ready to start paying down your debt. Let's dive into some strategies that can help you tackle your debt effectively. First up, we have the debt snowball method. This strategy involves paying off your smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on your larger debts. As you pay off each debt, you'll gain momentum, just like a snowball rolling downhill. Next, we have the debt avalanche method. This approach focuses on paying off your highest interest debts first, which can save you money over time. Just like an avalanche, once you start, the results can be powerful. Now, regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to prioritize high-interest debt. These debts grow faster and can cost you more in the long run. So try to pay more than the minimum payment whenever possible. This helps reduce the principal amount, allowing you to pay off the debt quicker. Remember, tracking your progress is key to staying motivated and committed. While budgeting and cutting expenses are important, increasing your income can also help speed up debt repayment. Consider diversifying your income sources. This might mean taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. Now, let's not forget about the importance of building an emergency fund. Even a small one, say around $1,000, can be a lifesaver when unexpected expenses come knocking. This provides a buffer so you don't have to rely on credit in a pinch. Negotiating lower interest rates with your creditors could also save you a significant amount. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. While all this is happening, it's crucial to avoid taking on more debt. If you find this overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Repaying debt isn't easy, but remember to celebrate your progress along the way. You're on the path to a debt-free life.